What's really inside modern greens powders? Most people don't realize how difficult it's become to get enough nutrient diversity from food alone. Modern diets are often packed with calories, but surprisingly low in micronutrients, phytonutrients, fiber, and digestive support compounds. And that may help explain why so many people struggle with low energy, poor digestion, sluggish recovery, stress overload, and feeling constantly run down, even when they think they're eating relatively healthy. But here's where things get complicated. Not all greens powders are created equally. Some are packed with fillers, artificial ingredients, and underdosed blends, while others combine nutrient-dense greens, adaptogens, probiotics, and antioxidant-rich superfoods designed to support multiple areas of wellness at once. So today, we're breaking down what's actually inside a modern organic supergreens formula, and what the science suggests these ingredients may really do for the body. In the wellness industry, marketing can sometimes overshadow ingredient quality. Bright labels, trendy buzzwords, promises of miracle results. But when you actually examine many supplement formulas closely, the differences often come down to sourcing, transparency, ingredient forms, and formulation strategy. That's why understanding ingredients matters far more than flashy branding. Because the real question isn't just, what does this product claim to do? It's, what's actually inside it, and why were those ingredients chosen? Today, we're exploring the science, sourcing, and wellness applications behind some of the most common ingredients found in comprehensive organic supergreens formulas. Wheatgrass is one of the most recognizable ingredients in greens powders. Despite the name, wheatgrass itself is typically harvested before the grain develops, which is why many wheatgrass products are naturally gluten-free. It's rich in chlorophyll, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds linked to overall wellness support. Research suggests chlorophyll-rich greens may help support natural detoxification pathways and cellular health. Wheatgrass is also commonly used for digestive support and daily nutrient replenishment. People who consume very few greens or highly processed diets may struggle to get enough plant diversity, something greens powders attempt to help address. Barley grass and oatgrass are often included alongside wheatgrass because they provide additional phytonutrients, minerals, and antioxidant compounds. These young grasses contain naturally occurring vitamins and enzymes commonly associated with wellness-focused diets. Many people use grass blends to help increase overall nutrient variety without needing to prepare large amounts of greens daily. The key difference often comes down to processing quality. Lower quality grass powders may lose nutrient potency during heat exposure or prolonged storage. Higher quality organic formulas typically prioritize gentle drying methods to help preserve sensitive plant compounds. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that has gained attention for its unusually dense nutritional profile. It naturally contains protein, antioxidants, trace minerals, and compounds like phycocyanin, the pigment responsible for its deep blue-green color. Research has linked spirulina to antioxidant activity and immune system support. It's also commonly used in wellness routines focused on energy and recovery support. However, sourcing matters significantly. Poor quality algae products may carry contamination concerns if they're not carefully tested. That's why third-party testing and sourcing transparency are especially important for algae-based ingredients. Chlorella is another freshwater algae often paired with spirulina. It's known for its naturally high chlorophyll content and dense concentration of micronutrients. One interesting detail about chlorella is its tough outer cell wall. Some lower quality chlorella products may be harder to digest or absorb if the cell wall hasn't been properly processed. Higher quality formulas often use broken cell wall chlorella to improve bioavailability and absorption. Chlorella is commonly associated with detox-focused wellness routines and antioxidant support. Unlike standard green tea, matcha involves consuming the entire powdered tea leaf. That means a more concentrated source of antioxidants, including catechins like EGCG. Matcha also naturally contains caffeine paired with L-theanine, an amino acid associated with calm focus. This combination is one reason many people describe matcha energy as smoother and less jittery compared to coffee. Research suggests green tea compounds may help support metabolism, antioxidant activity, and cognitive performance. But quality again matters. Ceremonial grade and organically sourced matcha are often preferred because tea plants can absorb environmental contaminants from soil during growth. Aloe vera is commonly recognized for skincare, but it's also used internally in wellness formulations. It contains naturally occurring compounds associated with digestive support and hydration. Many people include aloe in gut-focused wellness routines because it may help support digestive comfort and gastrointestinal balance. However, formulation quality matters. Responsible processing is important because certain aloe compounds are typically removed during purification for supplement use. Moringa is sometimes called a nutrient-dense superfood tree because its leaves naturally contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compounds. It has been traditionally used in various wellness practices for generations. Research suggests moringa may help support antioxidant defenses and overall nutritional balance. For people with low vegetable intake, moringa is often included as part of broader nutrient support formulations. Ashwagandha is one of the most widely studied adaptogenic herbs in modern wellness science. Adaptogens are compounds commonly used to help the body adapt to physical and mental stress. But not all ashwagandha is the same. KSM-66 is a branded full-spectrum extract known for standardized processing and research-backed quality control. Research suggests ashwagandha may help support stress response, mood balance, recovery, and sleep quality. This is one example of how ingredient form matters just as much as the ingredient itself. Digestive support ingredients are becoming increasingly common in greens powders. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria associated with gut health and microbiome balance. Digestive enzymes, meanwhile, help break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates during digestion. For many people, bloating, digestive discomfort, or nutrient absorption concerns may partly relate to digestive inefficiency. That's one reason some modern formulas combine greens with gut support ingredients instead of relying on greens alone. However, stability and survivability are important. Not all probiotic strains survive manufacturing, storage, or stomach acid exposure equally. Transparency around strains and potency can make a significant difference. One of the biggest issues in the supplement industry isn't necessarily the ingredients themselves, it's formulation quality. Some products rely heavily on proprietary blends that hide exact ingredient amounts. Others include trendy ingredients in quantities too small to provide meaningful support. And many lower-cost formulas contain unnecessary fillers, artificial sweeteners, dyes, or heavily processed ingredients. That's why transparency matters. Higher-quality wellness formulas often emphasize clearly labeled ingredient amounts, organic sourcing, third-party testing, bioavailable ingredient forms, minimal additives, allergen-friendly formulations. This is especially important with greens, algae, probiotics, and herbal extracts, where sourcing quality can significantly impact purity and potency. Because ultimately, a supplement is only as good as the quality standards behind it. This is one reason some people look for comprehensive greens formulas instead of buying individual ingredients separately. A well-designed formula can combine grasses, algae, adaptogens, probiotics, digestive support compounds, and antioxidant-rich plants into one daily routine. For example, organic super greens formulas often include many of the ingredients discussed today, including organic grasses, spirulina, chlorella, matcha, probiotics, digestive enzymes, and adaptogens like KSM-66 ashwagandha. And for many consumers, ingredient transparency, third-party testing, and sourcing standards may matter just as much as the ingredient list itself, especially when looking for options that are USDA organic, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, and free from unnecessary additives. At the end of the day, wellness isn't usually about one miracle ingredient. It's often about consistency, lifestyle habits, nutrient quality, and understanding what your body may actually need support with. And that's why learning how to read ingredient labels and understanding formulation quality can make such a major difference. Because not all supplements are created equally. The more you understand what's inside the label, the better informed your wellness decisions can become. If you enjoy science-backed wellness education and ingredient deep dives like this, stay curious. Because there's a lot more behind modern nutrition than most labels ever explain.